Hello, welcome to our video game Fractalia. As survivors of NUS CS Year 1, we decided to make a game for Orbital to commemorate our blood and tears for the past year, and hopefully teaching incoming students something about CS. The one concept we'd most like to commemorate and teach is recursion, which is crucial to our entire study and what we encountered in literally week 2.
Inspired by our dear friend Source Academy, we believe the best way of representing recursion is with fractals, because fractals represent one fundamental property of recursion, self-repetition.
Fractals are formed by repeatedly applying a simple modification to a shape, for example, removing a small cube from the center of a large cube. Then again.
To allow players to fly in the middle of fractals and appreciate their beauty, we use 3D fractals as the game map itself, modeled by Blender.
We have designed 3 different fractal maps: the Menja sponge, the Sierpinski triangle, and Menja cylinder.
Try out the different maps and lose yourself in the breathtaking graphics. Aside from self-repetition, in problem solving, there is another important property of recursion that we need to represent: the tree structure of recursion steps, like in merge sort.
Again, fractals can represent a tree structure, since the number of small shapes increases exponentially with each fractal iteration. Each iteration can represent a level in a branching tree.
In a video game, of course the tree data must be more fun than numbers. Thus, we wrote an entire in-game mythology text that the player needs to recursively combine.
The mythology is a mystified version of real-world fun facts regarding CS and math, so players can increase their knowledge. In our mythology, the bugs have invaded Fractalia and stolen our sacred texts, recordings of fractal world's divine teachings to mankind. Your job as the guardian of Fractalia is to slay the bugs in a first-person shooter. After that, collect the stolen fragments of sacred texts. The texts have been recursively split by us beforehand into an in-game tree.
Bring each text fragment back to its parent node and combine them to restore the sacred text.
The combat gets harder as you progress through levels. In early levels, the enemy does not patrol or chase after you.
Then later, enemies start to patrol along preset routes and actively chase after you. Maneuver between the 3 streams of enemy bullets and don't let them shoot you in the face.
To help you with combat in 3D world, we have scattered helpful collectibles across the map. They are green health potions that restore a third of your health, and orange shields that grant you 5 seconds of invisibility.
You are encouraged to explore the fractal maps more aside from combat, and find out these hidden surprises.
Good luck trying out our exciting game, and if you find it useful, recommend it to your incoming CS freshmen and let them share the fun as well.